welcome back to my channel, the DionneProject. So I'm really excited about today's video because I got my homegirls here, Kia and Martha. And we are going to talk about skincare. I know that we're all still quarantined and our skin changes, and so we're going to talk about our skincare. We're going to bring our go-to products. Oh, by the way, ladies, I would like to say Happy Mother's Day. Let's have a little toast right here.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you. So today's video, we're going to talk about our skin regimen. We've all brought our go-to products and we're going to dissect it. We're going to see what works for our skin. I know in the previous video we talked about our skin type, and it's very important to know your skin type. So Martha, what's your skin type?
Well, it's normal during the winter, and it tends to be
it
oily.
changes. Yeah, it changes. It changes. What about you, Kia?
My skin is pretty normal throughout the year, and I largely live in warmer climates, so it kind of stays the same.
Okay. What do you do when it comes to your skin regimen, Martha? What do you use? What's your first go-to product?
I just wash my face. This is something I use, but I do use like regular soap too. That
Soap from your body?
No.
I'm like, do not use that. I'm like, what?
I think we both use this.
We both use this. Yes.
Oh, Cetaphil.
Yeah.
You know, that's real. That's real. Everybody uses this.
I use that every day.
Yeah,
it's real.
Right. You can use this. You go into Dwayne Reed or Walgreens or whatever, and you pick this up, and it's not too drying, right?
It's like perfect.
Yeah, I have a lot of clients will tell me that they use the Cetaphil. I don't use it just because I like something that's a little bit more concentrated for me. So I use, and I love this product. You guys gotta try this. The Tula skincare line, because it's all natural. It's a creamy based cleanser, and it just, all I have to do is clean my face one time, even if I have a face full of makeup, and it's fine. It's no problem. I clean it and my skin is glowing afterwards.
Wow.
But I got this from Nordstrom's, but you can get it from Bloomingdale's, or you can go online. I really live by the Tula, the skincare line.
Okay.
But before I use the cleanser, it's my good old coconut oil.
Yeah.
Right?
That's what I use to take my makeup off. I love it.
Yeah, I love coconut oil. I try to put that into my skincare regimen every day and every night. Like coconut oil, honey, if you don't have anything else to clean your skin or take up that makeup off, use your coconut oil. Yeah.
And I discovered coconut oil for my mascara and
yes,
coconut oil and hot water, hot rag.
Yes. Most people don't know that when you have that mascara on all day, there's alcohol in the mascara, and if you do not take
your eyes,
it stains, and it also dries your eyelashes, and it breaks them off. So if you do not take that mascara off at night, your lashes are going to be coming off. They're going to be all brittle and crusty, and we do not want that, honey. Okay. So we all decided, we love the coconut oil. Okay.
It's a must.
Yes, that's a must. That's a must. All right, Martha, what's the next?
So I usually, lately I've been using the hydrating serum. That's like all day. Like that's all I use. And then at night.
PCA. Wait. So you take off your makeup with the coconut oil, and then you use your Cetaphil.
I wash my face.
Do you tone in between then?
I don't.
You don't tone?
Lately,
really?
I know. Not since I've had like the peel either. I just use the serum.
Oh, okay. Do you tone?
I do.
Yes, I don't.
The classic
NARS. That's the good one. That's the good one. I use, if I don't, like if I'm on a budget and I'm on a money crunch, good old fashioned witch hazel. Okay? You can get it. And the reason that you tone is because once you actually cleanse your skin, you want to bring your pH levels back up. Now, Mario Badescu has a witch hazel and lavender.
So I gotta buy the toner.
Yeah, you gotta put the toner. Yeah, you missed that stuff. You gotta put the toner on before you start putting your serums on.
Okay.
So we're just deciding whether this is a daytime or a night regimen. So what do you do at day? So the next time you go, your serums.
Yeah, I use just the serum during the day and a sunscreen. I use a sunscreen.
What about you, Kia? What do you do after you wash? Do you tone?
I do. I use NARS.
Your NARS toner.
Classic. Okay. All over behind the ear.
Right. Okay.
Like so surprised at the little residue of dirt that
yes. That's another reason why you tone, because you think that you've gotten it all off, and then you go tone and your cotton ball is brown. Right. You're like, wait, I just washed my skin. So yeah, okay. All right, so after your toner, what do?
I will do the Revolution, the first treatment essence.
The essence, okay.
That's what I'll do.
All right, stop. No, wait. We're going to get back there. Hold the presses. So, this is your daytime or your night regimen? You're doing this in the daytime?
Night. This is my night.
So, when do you exfoliate?
I usually exfoliate maybe twice a week.
So, you don't do it every day?
I don't do it every day.
Okay. All right, what about you, Martha?
I used to exfoliate every day until my facialist said, don't do that.
Okay.
Twice a week at the most.
Okay, so
since, I was getting like a facial once a month.
I exfoliate every night.
I was because I feel like it made my skin soft, and I just loved it, and I thought I have big pores. I needed it.
Right. I exfoliate every night, and it depends on whether I'm having a breakout or it's that time of month. On what I use. Okay. Normally, I will use like a face scrub, and I make my own face scrub. So I use a little bit of brown sugar. I put a little bit of this coconut oil, and that is my face scrub. Right. And I literally scrub, and it takes off the dead layers of my skin because it gets it ready for the serum that you're gonna use and the essence that you're gonna use.
Okay.
So you gotta like some people can't exfoliate every day because they're too sensitive and they start to get red and they have these effects, these negative effects to exfoliating. But for me, my skin type is okay for me to exfoliate every day. And it takes off the dead layer, and so when it's time to put on the hydrating serums and the essence and all those good things back in my skin, I've gotten that dead layer off. So can you imagine if you're putting all this on and you just have this dead film over your skin, so it's really not getting down deep in your epidermis. So that's why it's important to exfoliate.
Going back to my daily scrub.
Okay, go back to the scrub.
But I like you know what? I too will make my own. Sometimes I'll just put some coffee grinds.
Oh, I love that.
And I'll mix it in again with coconut oil. The
coffee grinds is awesome. I tried that too.
Eggs too.
Oh yeah.
And then let it dry.
Because that tightens it up.
That, it's like your skin is really soft too. That's like
the eggs are good too. So PCA is my go-to. Go to the serum, honey. Listen, that's it.
I love that.
If you've never heard about PCA, do your research. It's amazing. All of their products. We're actually going to cover about their the facial peels. That's the only facial peels that I will use. Is glycolic and lactic, and it's all mixed together, and it works for African American skin. So we'll cover that in another video, but PCA is my go-to. Okay. And the essence, do you know why you use the essence?
I was told to.
All right, so the essence prepares the skin for all the serums that goes after. It really helps the liquid and the molecules soak deeper in the epidermis. Okay. So if you have never used the essence, you will see a tremendous difference in your skin once you start to use the essence. Most people don't like to use it because it's so many different steps. Yes. You cleanse, you tone, you exfoliate, you essence, you moisturize, and then you SPF. And a lot of people don't have the time to go do that. But if you want really good skin, it is what it is.
And in quarantine,
so
I didn't always have time to do all this either.
Right, and your skin looks awesome. It looks really good. Now that quarantine, I've got more than enough time. Right. Cleanse, tone, exfoliate, your essence, your serums. Yeah, you got time now. So
you know what mask I'm into right now are the Korean skincare lines where you put the whole
put it on your face.
Okay, because it's easy. Because it's easy, right?
Yeah. Exactly.
Yeah. I have been into this sea moss, and girl, I have made up my own sea moss mask. Ooh. So we talked about it before, and I showed you guys how to actually take the sea moss and put it in your blender with the spring water. You put it in the refrigerator. I put this on my face every morning and every night. So this is the consistency of it. And I put it on my hands.
It's like a jelly.
It's like a jelly. And so this is what I put on. And before, you know, I get into the shower and I leave it on my face and my hands for 30 minutes. And it actually produces collagen. So by the time that I'm finished, I feel like my friend told me the other day, he was like, wait, we're quarantined. Did you see the doctor? And I was like, you tried it. But it was the sea moss because it really sucks your skin in, but it doesn't make it tight, and it starts producing the collagen and and the fine lines and wrinkles was off the chain. Yeah. So
you made that? So
I made that. So check out my video. It's on there with the sea moss. So all of the products that we have covered today and did our reviews on, I will leave you all the links of where you can find them in my comments section below. If you have any questions or comments, please leave it. Again, if you like what you saw, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time on the Dionne Project. Happy Mother's Day, ladies.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.